Okay guys, I just wanted to do a quick tutorial on how to complete this assignment today. First slide, all you have to do is type your name. If you just click your cursor in the box underneath name, you can type your name directly into that. You just double click and you'll be able to type. Alright, then the next few slides, that's just your table of contents. Then you need to read through what is a map, what is a globe. You should be very familiar with these because we've been going over them all week. Then you get down to the first interactive slide. All you're going to do, see where it says click and drag to fill in the graphic organizer. So you're going to say sphere shape. All right, I'm going to click it. See how it has the blue box around it? And I'm going to hold my mouse down and I'm going to drag it into the one that I believe is correct. Do I think a map is sphere shaped? Do I think both a map and a globe are sphere shaped? Or do I think only a globe is sphere shaped? And then I put it where I believe it goes. Then I would click on the map. Do I think this flat piece of paper is a map? Is it both or is it a globe? And I would place it where it goes. So you highlight it, you click on it. Make sure you're using the cursor, this right here, the select tool, this arrow right here. You come down, place your cursor over the object, click it with your mouse until it highlights it with this blue square. Click in the center, click, hold your mouse down, and drag. Okay? That's how you do it. Then you're going to go to the next section, which talks about parts of a map. Same situation here. Click and drag the labels. Which one is a compass rose? I'm going to make sure I'm on the selection tool. I'm going to come down here and hover over, and I'm going to click and drag it to the correct box to correctly label that map. Next, you're going down and you're going to review the compass rose. Same thing. Click and drag the labels. Make sure it has the blue box. Click, hold your mouse down, and drag. And then same as you continue all the way down, there's an informational slides, and then there's an interactive slide. So then an informational slide, and then interactive slides. Finally, you go all the way down to the very bottom, and it's going to allow you to create your own map. Just read through the directions, and then you're going to right-click on the label to copy, then go to the map on the next slide and right-click to paste. So say I want to label my capital on my map. I'm going to click it with my cursor, make sure that I have the blue box around it highlighted, right-click, click copy. Then I'm going to go to the map that I'm creating, and if I want my capital to be right here, I'm going to right-click and paste. Okay? You may have to drag it to the location you want it. Alright, then let's say I decided that I want a river. Same thing. Copy, right-click, copy. Select the next slide. Right-click, paste. Okay? I'm going to say this is a river. You're going to create a map key. You're going to name your island, and you're going to place all of your labels and your symbols on your map. Okay?